Union government today introduced 3 bills in Lok Sabha, including major proposal to open up India's tightly regulated civil nuclear sector to private participation. The Viksit Bharat Shiksha Adhishthan bill seeks to enable universities and other higher educational institutions to become independent and self-governing, supported by a robust and transparent accreditation framework to ensure autonomy and accountability. The Sustainable Harnessing and Advancement of Nuclear Energy for Transforming India Shanti Bill, introduced by Minister of State in the Prime Minister's Office Jitendra Singh, aims to allow private players into the civil nuclear power sector and overhaul the existing nuclear liability regime. The bill proposes repealing the Atomic Energy Act 1962 and Civil Liability for Nuclear Damage Act 2010. Meanwhile, Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal introduced the Repealing and Amending Bill 2025, which seeks to repeal 71 obsolete laws that have outlived their utility as part of the government's efforts to simplify and modernize the statute framework. Earlier, Lok Sabha proceedings were disrupted today, adjourning till 2 p.m. after opposition members protested Congress workers allegedly shouting anti-PM slogans at a rally in Delhi yesterday. Union Minister Kiren Rijiju demanded an apology from Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi, citing alleged threats to PM Narendra Modi's life. Rijiju claimed at a press conference that Sunday's rally saw workers threatening to dig the Prime Minister's grave, calling it a low point for Indian democracy. He emphasized the incident's gravity, seeking accountability from Congress leaders.